viewers, welcome back to the second part of Northeast India travel vlog. Hope till now you have watched my first part of this vlog. If not, then do check that out. Find the link in my description box. On our way from Darjeeling to Gangtok, we can see a beautiful and mesmerizing view, so we stop frequently to take some pictures. Let me tell you that Darjeeling is noted for three most important things, that is tea industry, view of the world's third largest mountain Kanchenjunga, and the Darjeeling Himalayan Railways. After reaching our room, we took a small break for an hour. Then we left to visit few places like Ganesh Talk, Hanuman Talk, and Tashi Viewpoint. The weather at Ganesh Talk and Tashi Viewpoint was very cold and it started drizzling when we reached there. So don't forget to wear warm clothes and carry a scarf. Next morning we started for a half-day trip to Harbhajan Singh Memorial, which is located at a distance of 54 km from Gangtok city. This place is at the height of 13,200 feet. Enjoying the beauty of nature, we finally reached Baba Harbhajan Singh Memorial. Baba Harbhajan Singh Temple is a unique destination mainly due to the legacy attached with it. It is believed that his spirit protects every soldier in the inhospitable high-altitude terrain of eastern Himalayas. A manhunt was launched and it took the army 3 days to find his body. It is believed that he himself led the soldiers to the site. The soldiers raised a samadhi in his name, and till date, people in the area believe that the Baba spirit protects the soldiers posted here. The Indian army treated Baba as a soldier who never dies, and he was retired with full honor in December 2016. Returning from Baba Harbhajan Singh Memorial, we stopped at Shangu Lake. This lake is at a distance of 45 km from Gangtok, and it is located at the height of 12,400 feet. This is the most visited lake in the East Sikkim. On colorfully decorated yaks and mules are offered at the lakeside, which is also has a variety of eating stalls serving snacks and beverages. Embedded in steep and rugged mountain terrain, the lake is covered with snow cover from early winter to the late spring. Tourists requires permit to visit this lake, which can be obtained through Sikkim Tourist Information Centre, which is located at MG Road, Gangtok. And later by evening we returned back to Gangtok and spent our evening roaming around at Lal Market and famous MG Marg. MG Road, Gangtok is very nice street to hang out with friends and family. It has a lots of food options available. The road is lined up with glittering shops, restaurants, cafes and bars on both the sides. With this we come to the end of the Gangtok vlog. Hope you all enjoyed with me. See you soon in my next Kalimpong vlog. Till then, bye bye.